Hi friends, welcome to our channel Bhagat Food Tech Stars. This is the second video in our channel. Today topic is COVID-19 Pandemic Food Solutions Part 2. Non-veg. It is safe to eat non-veg during COVID-19. Introduction. Due to COVID-19, we should eat a variety of fresh and unprocessed foods every day to get the vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, protein and antioxidants your body needs. Drink enough water, eat fruits, vegetables, legumes, cereals and foods from animal sources like example meat, eggs, fish and milk etc. Eggs. Eggs are a part of a healthy diet plan. They also act as excellent aids for the immune system. It would surprise you to know that in a lot of coronavirus quarantine facilities around the world, patients in recovery are offered eggs with their daily meals. Eggs gives instant energy and boost immunity very fast. Why our doctor prefers eggs in quarantine patients? Eggs come packed with a lot of amino acids and antioxidants which improve your health and keep your immune system functioning in the best way. Each egg contains 85 calories packed in 7 grams of muscle building protein. Apart from essential core vitamins like selenium 22% and vitamins A, B and K. They also contain another nutrient riboflavin which is vital for core development and growth. Eating 2 eggs a day can greatly help fight off infections and keep the body healthy. Eggs are also a trusted remedy for fighting off a nasty cold or flu infection. Eggs come loaded with zinc which can speed up recovery and get rid of a cold. Eggs can also help provide energy to a recovering body. It contains plenty of B vitamins which help the body convert food into fuel and give you a nourishing energy to carry through the body.
Another example, chicken. Chicken is a lean meat with high nutritional value and eating it regularly will help you stay healthy. Protein supply. Chicken has a very high protein content which plays a very important role in sustaining our muscles. Weight loss, healthy bones, stress reliever, immunity boost. Helps build muscles, keeps your bones healthy, reduce stress, reduce premenstrual syndrome, help boost testosterone levels in men. Chicken which had highest protein but also have fat content. During COVID-19, people are getting confused about non-veg. So here before you consuming chicken, note, do not take chicken regularly during COVID-19. The patient who has heart disease and cholesterol patient should be take irregularly because chicken has high fat content. It is safe to eat during COVID-19 irregularly weekly once. According to the COVID-19, chicken consumption has better for everyone. No need to be worried. And chicken had high proteins and fiber which gives and generate immunity to our body. It had rich in proteins. Another example, fish. Fish and other aquatic foods are a key part of our global food system and have a high nutritious economic significance. Eating fish is associated with the health benefits of lowering triglycerides, blood pressure, inflammation, macular degeneration and reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. It also provides as a lean source of omega-3 fatty acids, proteins and minerals. Omega-3 are good fats your body can make itself. Fish has so many types. In Indian people mostly consume small fish. It gives more retinal powers and gives energy and well-developed cornea both children and adults. Fish has vitamin A which cure eye problems. Another example, prawns. Prawns are a rich source of selenium, one of the most effective antioxidants at maintaining healthy levels. They also contain high immune system. Eating prawns helps build strong bones because they contain phosphorus, copper and magnesium. Eating prawns provide a complete protein which means it includes all 9 amino acids in the right proportion for the body to function properly. Prawns are extremely low in calories. The same 100 grams of prawns contains about twice as much and beef 3 times as much. Great source of vitamins B6, B12 and niacin which helps the body produce energy, build muscles and replenish red blood cells. It is important to note that a small percentage of people have a strong allergy to prawns. So if you find that you react negatively, you should immediately contact a doctor. The healthiest way to cook prawns are to steam, boil, bake or grill them, and because of their relatively neutral taste profile, prawns make up the base proteins in an extremely diverse set of healthy and tasty meals. Another example, meat. No doubt it would save so much time if everyone had raw meat or fish, but it is unfortunate that the meat of dead animals contains the same bacteria and pathogens that the animal had, and anyone consuming that meat in the raw form of is at high risk of contracting several health ailments. In fact, according to the studies, it has been observed that raw meat is usually contaminated and has several bacteria, viruses, parasites, or toxins. Apart from that, the raw meat also gets contaminated during the same knife and is kept with other meats. The viral and pathogen sticks to the raw meat and can be harmful in the long run. Another misconception doing the rounds is that one should completely prohibit the usage of that meat, as this viral spreads from animals to people. What people need to understand is that nothing has been established so far, and it is completely safe to not non-vegetarian food in India. The only thing that you need to take care of is that the meat has been hygienically cooked and should not be raw, which is the best way to prevent any diseases transmitted through animal meat. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, like, share and comment friends. Thank you.